When it comes to HS, the journey to getting a clear diagnosis can be a long and arduous one. The relief in having clarity, however, may not be enough to manage the many stresses that having a chronic skin condition entail. While stress is a natural response to a challenge or threat that helps us mobilize energy to deal with the situation, chronic stress can have negative consequences for our emotional well-being, physical health, and quality of life. So stress management and improving coping skills is an important part of a well-rounded treatment. When it comes to managing chronic health conditions, research has shown that resilient individuals may experience the same distress but recover better from difficult life events and cope more effectively with their health condition. I like to watch the Paralympics. Aside from inspiring, I think it shows us an intuitive definition of resilience, where we see individuals accepting the new constraints of their lives and continuing to pursue their potential in the best way they can. So it's a good question to ask. What are some things that any of us can do to foster resilience? Research has pointed out many important pillars of resilience. These include social support, such as nurturing the relationships with friends and family, and importantly, being part of a peer social support group. For example, HS Heroes, where you can learn from the experience of others who may have faced similar struggles and become inspired by the many examples of resilient individuals that you will encounter. Another important pillar of resilience is active coping behaviors. These are behaviors that help us feel better and protect us from the negative effects of stress. These include behaviors such as physical activity, self-compassion, relaxation exercises, and mindfulness meditation. Another pillar of resilience is self-care, which includes reaching out for support when you're struggling and accessing healthcare services. If you're struggling, accessing mental health support could be part of your self-care. To find a psychologist, a good place to start is your provincial psychological association.